Okay, everybody, I'm here across from the hospital on the Provincial Highway. There's City Mall right there. And next to the Government Service Office, the new McDonald's. Let's go check out the new McDonald's, see what you think. This is the new McDonald's in Dumaguete. You enter off the road and it's got drive-through here. 2 order booths. If you're parking, there's parking on the side and out front. Wow, look who you see. Is that Lindy Malgi Rose, the famous vlogger? Wow. So you order, self-order, and you pay with credit card or pay Maya, or take a receipt and pay at the counter. Oh. They even have a party room here. All nice and new. Can I join you, friendly Filipinas and Filipinos? Sergio. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Well, I'm here with my new friends I just met. They invited me to join them for dinner. Wow, so nice. What's your name, ma'am?
I am
Susan?
Marianne Rivera.
Marianne Rivera. Wow, sana all. And from Canada Top, Palia. She's always so shy. And there's Mr. Freddie. John Villa.
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Wow. If anyone needs a marketing major, there you go. John Villa from Tanhai City. Wow, delivery. Look at that. Wow, salamat. Oh, we need lots of ketchup, kuya.
I think yours is. Mine is small. And it's.
Coke Zero.
I think it's Coke Zero.
Salamat. Lots of ketchup.
Thank you so much.
We need lots of ketchup, babe. Kain. Kaon? Why? Oh, sorry. Kaon. How do you spell kaon? K-A? K-A-O-N? Oh, why am I just learning that? Kaon. Okay, guys, take 20. Kaon. We've been waiting to eat for 20 minutes, but now, kaon. Okay, guys, how do you like the new McDonald's?
The food, it's really tasty, and also the drink.
Freddie, what do you think?
Advanced technology.
How's the food?
Yummy. Lami.
It's so good to be taste that in McDonald's. Big Mac. It's so big. I really love it.
Did you finish it?
Yes, of course.
And Freddie, what did you have?
Double cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger and fries, iced coffee.
You heard it from Dumaguete Negros Oriental, the newest McDonald's, and we all thought it was pretty good. So come and try. It's across from Negros Oriental Provincial Hospital, which is on the Provincial Highway, down the street from City Mall in Dumaguete. Okay, Amping, salamat dai for being the photographer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'm trying to get to the elusive 1,000 subscribers, and with your help, I can do it. Take care, Amping.
And I speak, I can't remember mine.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, yeah.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger and fries and what do you call this?
Iced
Iced coffee. Cheeseburger and fries, iced coffee.